Hi everybody, this is a crypto update, and well, I like how things are developing here with BTC. It looks very constructive. So as you might remember, well, we had this big up move and then a pullback. Well, the pullback is a little bit short, right? We only pull back into 8 and we test the 8. We didn't get back to 21. So there's still the risk that they might actually come and touch the 21 or even test it, like we could go beyond. Now this is the exponential trend line, right? I have drawn here for this whole move. Well, let's bring it up. There was another exponential trend line that was respected quite well, right? That contains price activity. Now this is basically the same thing happening here. Price is finding support at the 8, and it's finding support at this exponential trend line. I mean, the exponential trend line is quite a bit discretionary, right? But as it's drawn right now, and I haven't fine-tuned it here, it fits quite well, price activity. Now let's come back here now to the weekly. Well, we had this nice up move with a succession of bullish, not too big, like good sized bullish bars. So that's a sign of strength. Well, obviously we found some resistance at the big number, 50,000 psychological number. And well, this is the bottom side of this sideways consolidation. But we have pierced through, right? Not only that, well, we have a bar close. And that was basically my signal for a long-term a buy signal here again for Bitcoin. Well, unfortunately, we got this daily some call it flash crash in the media. Here, this big bar, we get this daily big bar. Well, it's not that big, but we have similar sized bars, but it is quite big. So that obviously scared a lot of people. And well, the stop was here at this consolidation low. So this was a very low risk idea to enter. I think it was here at that level. This was a low risk idea to enter the market. Well, now what we have after some time, I mean, it's good for the markets to digest such a drop. Right, and we can see how well price have held quite nicely. Like this bar, this black bar, and then this bar, this one well tried to break the wick low. Well, this one tried to break the wick low. Well, it couldn't, right? So price was contained, and we have kind of a double bottom here. Now we have got well a consolidate. Now this has become an S1 pattern. Well, that's the futures S1 pattern with a lot of volatility coming in. This is what we're looking for, right? We might still get a more pronounced test bar here, or this could go as a test bar. I'm a little bit more relaxed with the rules regarding crypto charts, but this is well, let's draw the line nicely horizontal. This is there's another line hidden. Don't know what that is. This is an S1 pattern sitting here on a couple of touches. We've got a breakout activity nicely close to the base, and a couple of small bar of indecisiveness. So I quite like that. It looks like this drop has been digested, and we are respecting like the 8 holds, the 8 moving average support, dynamic support holds. Now here, these couple of last days have actually plotted another S1 pattern. And we can see that if we go one, well, that's already the hourly. So on the hourly chart, we've got an S1 pattern. On the 4 hour, looks like this, right? So we've got we've got a pattern within an overall pattern. Within an overall pattern. Well, this doesn't really follow the rules because the breakout activity took so long. But well, I'm fine to see that as kind of an S1 too. Well, we didn't get this test, right, of 21. So it looks like it looks constructive to me. If you're a little bit more cautious, you could actually wait for this high to be broken, because this is such an important bar, right? Well, that's definitely well. If you don't find another test bar, well, this is it, right? So you could as well wait for a break of this high. And then that's basically your entry decision, and the stop goes at the test bar wick low. So that's still quite a tight stop, right? It goes from 43 to 53. Well, for trading cryptos, that's still a tight stop. So that's that could be, yeah, a safety measure. We didn't touch the 21. We have a run up here. We still have not broken away out of this range. I'm fine. I've already reinvested here. You might want to wait a little bit. And wait for a little bit more confirmation. Trading cryptos, it's actually not that important to enter early on. You can enter later, like with the break of this, because we're looking for a swing move anyway. So a swing move means we're looking for 100,000 and beyond. Like getting in a couple of $1,000 per Bitcoin sooner or later is not really that important, that critical. So this is it for this update. I'm quite surprised how the markets have recovered quite quickly and uploading again patterns. Well, we've got the same thing with Ethereum. I'm not going into detail here, but Ethereum looks even more bullish, right? It only touched the 8. It's in a very strong trend. Well, we've got our touch of our 21 touch here. We had an I'm not sure if that was an S2 pattern. I think so. Yeah, it was. Yeah, we had an S2 futures pattern here, and we're just we just have a pullback, nothing more. So it looks nice, and we've got a couple of altcoins. Well, let's have a look at those, because I've posted those on the blog as well. So well, here we've got patterns within patterns. So this is a pattern on a daily chart, right? Here, this is this one. So we've got an S1 pattern, this one that triggered, and we've got another S1 pattern. Well, this is on one time frame low on the 4 hour. So we've got a pattern within a pattern, which might develop nicely. So that's Medic. What else did we have? We had, I think it was Aave. Same thing here, right? We've got a pattern overall here, and we've got a pattern here. If you break to new highs, I mean, these are huge stop run lows. This is an overall sideways. So yeah, so the win rate for this trade, this is the stop. The win rate is a bit low, obviously. However, should we run? And with the crypto markets, overall sideways is typically not a problem because the trends are so strong. We have our touch of 21, and that is a very low risk idea. And then we had another one, which was the LRC. Same thing. Well, this could go through as an S1 type-ish. Well, this is an S1, a very clear. This is a very clear S1 right here, and we have a huge stop run level up here. So should we break to a new high? I mean, and here we've stop run level. So if this starts to run, this is the consolidation high. And then these highs are very close, right? And then we're actually shooting for this high. So we might see, and from here to this high, well, that's 3. So that's already like 8 folding, right? Just to go from here to here. So should it break this high, we can easily 10-fold. So that's a low risk idea. You might want to wait for this wick to be broken, entry, stop down here. Thank you.